Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. So let's discuss about the concept computer and its characteristics. This is our first lecture in the journey of computer. So let's discuss about it. So first of all, we have to know what is a computer. As we know, computer is an electronic machine which is mainly designed for performing calculations and controlling operations that may be expressed either in logical or numerical terms. In other words, we can say that computer is an electronic device that perform diverse operations with the help of instructions to process the data in order to achieve desired result. So first of all, the basic term we have to know the word compute. What does the compute mean? Compute is an actually it is an a Latin word which means to calculate. So we have to know that the term computer is derived from the Latin word compute, which means to calculate. As we already discussed the formal definition of a computer, it is an electronic machine designed for performing calculations and controlling operations that can be expressed either in logical or numerical terms. Or in other words, we can say that computer is an electronic device that perform diverse operations with the help of instructions to process the data in order to achieve desired result. Or in other word, we can say that we have some data, we can perform operations on that data and we get the desired result, or we can say the desired information. The desired information. So let's discuss about the next thing, that is what are the applications of a computer. As we know that there are so many applications of a computer, but some are most important that may be used in daily life. For example, we use computer in music and arts, in our education field, in our industry field, in government daily used day by day transactions. These are some common applications of our computer. So here we discuss about the application of computer. Look, application domain of a computer literally totally depend upon human creativity. But however, there are some important areas where the computer is mostly used nowadays. And these computer applications are, for example, let's discuss here about the education. Education, computers are used in teaching and learning process. In music and arts, we also use computer. In the field of law, we also used computer. In the field of scientific research, we mostly use computers. In medicine, yeah, in medical field, today 90% of the work done on computers. In government, 95% in the countries mainly use the IT to work on their database. In the term of industries, we can say that the AI, for example, in the terms of industries, we can say that AI, which is an upgoing technologies where the computers can think like a human. So there we can also use the computer. So these are some basic applications of computer. So let's discuss about some other factors. Let's discuss about the characteristics of a computer. So what are the characteristics of a computer? So there are mainly 5 to 6 characteristics that may be important. For example, the storage capacity, the speed of a computer, the reliability, the resource sharing, the accuracy, the versatility, the delicacy. These are some common characteristics of a computer. So let's discuss about that. First, we have the storage capacity. Storage capability means the main memory limitations and the secondary storage. Or we can say that the storage capability has two types. One is primary and second one is a secondary. These are basically two types of memories. As we discussed later, the second one is the speed. Speed is the fast processing. Basically, we can say that speed, how the system can process some data, and that data or that speed is measured in hertz, not megahertz in term of hertz. Then next about the reliability. Reliability means the time duration through which our hardware or software is reliable to perform our calculations. So that is the reliability. What is the versatility? Versatility means the multiple tasks computer can perform without any error. These can be achieved with the help of program switching. Then next, the important characteristics about the computer is the accuracy. Accuracy is depend, or we can say that accuracy is totally depend upon the instructions. If the instruction is good, or we can say that instruction is correct, then the output is also correct. If the out if the accuracy, or we can say that if the instructions are not correct, then we can say that the output is either not correct. So we can say that in accuracy, we also learn about the term GIGO. GIGO means garbage in, garbage out, garbage in, garbage out. So next, the most important characteristics about the system is deligency. Deligency means that like humans, computer is not feel the tiredness and lack of concentration. So that is the deligency. So let's discuss these characteristics one by one. So first we discuss about the speed. As we discussed, like the computer process data at extremely fast rate in the in millions and billions instructions per second. The common, or we can say in general, the speed is measured in hertz. Next, the accuracy. Accuracy means the output meets users criteria. For example, if I calculate 2 plus 2 and the system produce the output 4, that means it satisfy my criteria. Next, the level of accuracy is depend upon the instructions and the type of machine being used. Here, the note point. As we discussed earlier, since the computer is the capable of doing only what is introduced to do, or we can say that what is the instruction is saying. Faulty instructions for data processing may lead to faulty results. This is a star mark important line. Faulty instructions for data processing may lead to faulty result. This in general terms as GIGO, which means garbage in, garbage out. Then next, deligency. Deligency being a machine, computer is not suffered from tiredness and lack of concentration like humans. This is the important characteristics of our computer. Next, the reliability. It is the measurement of the performance of a computer, which is measured against some predefined, or we can say that predetermined standard for operation without any failure. That's called the reliability. Then next, we have discussed the storage capability. The storage capability is the main how our system can retain or recall the information as we needed. And the type of memories are primary and secondary. Next, versatility. This means the computer, or we can say that our computer is in versatile in nature. What does that mean? It means that if we can perform more than 100 tasks, or we can say that more than one task, more than one task. It may be two, three, five, six thousand, hundred, millions. Okay, we can say that if computer can perform multiple tasks simultaneously with equal ease. Okay, for example, at a moment we make a document, and similar time we also play some songs, and in between songs and document we also give a command to print a document as well. This is the nature of the versatility. For next, we discuss about resource sharing. Resource sharing means that the computer is capable to connect with each other. This has made the sharing of costly resources like printer as possible. Okay, the most common example that may be asked in examinations, like which device is mostly shared, or which we can say that which resource is most commonly shared between the computer. So that's time the printers may be the correct answer. Apart from that, it's maybe important note point for the students. Apart from the device sharing, okay, device sharing like printer, data and information can also be shared. Okay, it's an important point. Apart from the device like a printer, data and information can also be shared among the group of computer. This is the important point. Okay, thank you so much, students. Have a great day. If any doubt regarding this topic, kindly comment down. Thanks. Have a great day.